Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Alma. Thank you guys so much today for joining me. I hope everybody's having a great day. This is the look I created today. Stay tuned and watch how I did it. Thank you guys so much. For all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And let's get started with the video. I curled my hair today. I hope you guys like it. Hi everybody. Okay, let's get started on this makeup video. I am so excited. I know I haven't gone on this channel in a bit. I just needed some time and a lot of things happened and I'm recovering from my knee surgery and I'm finally feeling way better. Things are improving, so I'm happy. The moisturizer I use today is this one by La Roche-Posay. I do want to switch it off. I used to use the Trader Joe's moisturizer for a while and I stopped. I feel like I want to go back to that, so maybe I'll get it soon. The primer I use today is the Sephora one. So I already placed it. It's been on my skin for a couple minutes now and I really liked it, so I kept this one. I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 24 hours, blah, blah, blah. And I'm gonna go ahead and just smear it on my face. Uh-huh.
It's making out my leg.
Oh. Okay, and I'm gonna be using the brush Complexion Duo by e.l.f. I'm gonna use this one. And let's go ahead and spread it out. Look how red my skin is. And then it's like, it neutralizes it. I love this foundation. Okay, foundation is on. And I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. It doesn't even need powder. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Filter Finish Soft Matte Concealer. I don't even know if it's the right shade for me. I just grabbed it when I bought it, so let's just roll. I'm gonna use this brush, the same one. I'm gonna pick up my Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC, this one right here, and my small brush. Well, it's like a medium-sized brush, and just set my lids and my under eyes. Okay, I just finished doing my brows with the NYX Fill and Fluff. And I love the way they came out. Okay, so the palette I'm going to be using today is a palette that I haven't taken out in a long time. And I'm like, yo, what the hell? Okay, so it's this one. It's the MAC Art Library Flame Buoyant. Look at the colors. They're very for Thanksgiving. You know what I mean? I'm going to be using this. Let me see. Hopefully my brush is clean. I know I haven't washed my eye brushes in a while. Oh my God. Okay, so I'm gonna pick this one right here. It's like a lighter brown. It's called Embark. I think that's what it's called. And I'm gonna place that on my crease right here. So I put it almost my entire lid close to my brow. I just want to cover the whole thing. It's a matte light brown color. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up this small little blending brush and I'm gonna pick up, let's see which one. Let's do this color right here. We can work our way to like the darker colors. So I'm gonna put that on the outer part of my eye. That color is called, I think it's called Rule or Dollywood, one of those two. My God, I'm horrible at this. I'm just focusing it on the outer part of the eye and slowly blending it and moving it inwards towards the inner part of the eye. I'm picking up some more because I want that color to stand out. Like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up this darker color. It's a dark brown right here. That one is called Dada Issues. I probably have them all flipped backwards. Like I'm probably reading them backwards, you know. I used to have that little foil that sits here and I just threw it out because it was annoying. But anyways, I'm getting that darker color. It's a dark brown with my smudge brush and I'm just gonna put that on the bottom lash line. And on top of that, I'm gonna get some of that reddish brown, this one right here, the one I grabbed from my lid, my outer corner, and I'm gonna place that right on top of that. Okay, go back with the other eye. So dark brown. And then the reddish brown on top of it. Looks good, looks good. I like it. I'm gonna get this skinny little brush. It's very bendable, flexible, whatever. And I'm gonna pick up that dark brown again. The same dark brown that I picked earlier, this one. And I'm gonna put that on the outer part of my eye, shaping that outer V, and I'm just swirling it in, going back and forth, just so it can have a little bit of dimension to it. Like that. Okay, so now for my lid, there's this gold color right here. It's a beautiful shimmery gold color. That one is called, I'm assuming it's called Amber Lights or Samoa Silk. I think it's Amber Lights. It's like this, it's gold. So I'm gonna use my finger and just put that on my lid. Okay, so I just placed my mascara. The mascara I used today is the Telescopic by L'Oreal. And now I'm contouring my face. I am using the Makeup Geek contour. This is Cool Medium. It's called Complicated. And I'm using this little rounded brush for that. So I was looking at the ColourPop lipsticks Oh my goodness. That's cool how they have them like in a big pack, like a bundle. You can buy them as a bundle. And I was thinking, damn, what if I just buy that and swatch them all? I don't know. I was looking at their online offers and I'm like, I want more better deals. So I'm gonna wait for some Black Friday deals. Hopefully they have good deals on Black Friday. But I really like, I saw the reviews, I read the reviews, and I also, you know, saw some swatches and I really like them. So I want to try them. Hopefully I get them soon. Let me know if anybody has tried those ColourPop lipsticks, lip glosses, or like, what do you guys recommend? You know, maybe some of you guys know better. Like, which ones are better to try from ColourPop? This is the foundation brush.
24.
Okay. But let me know on the comments any recommendations for anything to try from ColourPop. I know their eyeshadows are really cool. Yeah, I was looking at their eyeshadows and wow, they're so pretty. But I really want to try their lipsticks, like their lip liners, their lippies. Okay, then for the blush, oh, let me know if you tried the ColourPop blushes because they look really pretty and I want to try them. Okay, so I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Fearless Coral. I really like this one. I'm gonna pick it up with my brush. This brush is by Real Techniques. So I'm gonna put a little bit on, not too much. Just a tad bit. I didn't want to overboard it. What if I use this one by itself? Because I really love it. It's called Heat. It's by Queen Cosmetics. And I really love her lip glosses. They're they're long lasting. If you had to ask me if it's better than the Sephora one, if you had to ask me which one's better, I would say this one is better than the Sephora. I love this one. I love the colors that they have. But it doesn't last long. I'll be talking for a couple hours and it wears off just by chatting it up. Look at the top lip and look at the bottom lip. Isn't it pretty? I'm gonna wear it. I don't care. It's so pretty. Check it out. And there it is, everybody. I curled my hair today because I'm like, I need to go back to styling it like I used to. I used to curl it every day. I always used to blow dry it, curl it. It was an everyday routine and I just felt like I messed up my hair with I just gave it too much heat, and lately I've been giving it a break, but I feel like it had enough break time, and I'm gonna start, I wanna start doing it again. But this is my complete makeup look. It's perfect for fall, perfect for Thanksgiving dinner, Thanksgiving outing, pumpkin patch, whatever you want. I'm gonna wear this today. I have a lot of errands to do. I woke up today and I saw that I needed a lot of groceries. And oh my God, I gotta go on a run right now. But thank you guys for joining me today on getting ready. with me and doing your makeup with me or just watching me. Thank you guys so much for your support. For everybody that has subscribed, thank you guys so much. All my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Let me know anything you guys want me to try, recommend, any lipsticks, lip glosses, foundation. Let me know. I'm willing to give it a shot. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.